Hello my dear students, welcome to the classes of Ultimate Success. Today we are going to understand the important topic of chapter 2 Boolean Algebra, that is Minterm and Maxterm. This can be an important question for 2 marks. They can ask the definition of what is Minterm and what is Maxterm. This is the basic principle to solve the 5-mark problem. What do you mean by Minterm? It's the product of all the literals with a bar or without bar. What do you mean by product? Product means we are doing the multiplication. 2 into 3. That means here we are going to do the product. 3 into 2. What we are doing here? Here we are doing the product. For the multiplication we will tell we are doing the product. Product of all the literals with a bar or without bar. What this means, all the literals, for example, if you have the A, B, X, Y, Z, whatever we have, this will be called as literals. A is a literal, B is a literal, X is a literal, Y is a literal, Z is a literal. This will be called as literals. Product of all the literals. Whatever the literals we have, for these literals, if we do the product into B, A into B, dot indicates it is a product. Product of all the literals with bar or without bar, that is called as Minterm. That is called as Minterm. For example, we have variable, any alphabet you can take, that will be a variable. A, B, C. If nothing is there in between, means that we have to understand that is a product. A into B into C. With the bar means, suppose if you have a B dash, that means that is a bar. With the bar or without bar. We can have any variable with the bar or without bar. That is called as a Minterm. If you are doing the multiplication of all the products of all the literals or variables, that is called as Minterm. What do you mean by Minterm? The product of all the literals with the bar or without bar. That is called as Minterm. In Minterm, if we have the literal with the bar, its value is 0. If we have variable or literal without dash, the value of this is 1. In Minterms, the value with dash is 0. The value without dash is 1. Now, for example, I will write here A dash, B dash, C. What is the value of this one? What is the value of this one? A dash is 0. With the dash is 0. B dash is 0. Without a dash is 1. The value of this one is 0, 0, 1. What is Minterm? Repeat with me. Product of all the literals with a bar or without bar, that is called as Minterm. For example, you can give any variable. In the Minterm, with a dash is 0, without dash is 1. Next we see the Maxterms. Sum means we are doing the addition. For example, if we have 2 plus 3, that means we are doing the sum here. 3 plus 6, we are doing the sum here. Sum of all the literals. The same way as we have understand in the Minterm. Minterm means product of all the literals. Maxterm means simple sum of all the literals. For all the literals we are doing addition. The literals can be with the bar or it can be without bar. A is a literal, B is a literal, C is a literal, D is a literal. We are doing the sum, addition. In between we are adding the sum. That means it is a Maxterm. Sum of all the literals with a bar or without bar. We can have the variables with a bar or we can have without bar. If we are doing adding all the variables of the literals, means for that we will called as Maxterms. What is Maxterm? Repeat with me. Sum of all the literals with a bar or without a bar. Here in sum Maxterm, with dash the value is 1, without dash the value is 0. It's just a reverse of minterms. In minterms, with dash is 0, without dash is 1. In Maxterm, with dash is 1, without dash is 0. Suppose if I write x plus y dash plus z, what is the value? Without dash is 0, with dash is 1, 0. When it comes to the minterm, x y dash z means the value of this one 1, 0, 1. Understand? Minterms means product of all the literals. Maxterm means sum of all the literals with bar or without bar. They can ask for 2 marks. Define minterm and maxterm and write the example. You have to write. That's it. Once again, we will write the example here. If we have x, y, z, x dash, z dash. What is the value of this one? This is in the form of which form? This is in the form of, remember, if nothing is there means that is a product. This is in the form of minterm. If we have x plus y plus z dash, this is in the form of maxterm. Sum of all the literals is maxterm. Product of all the literals is minterm. X, y, dash, z. What is the value? 1, 0, 1. Because it is in the form of minterm. Minterm means with the dash is 0, without dash is 1. If we have the same thing, x plus y dash plus z, the value of x is 0, y dash is 1, z is 0. This is in the form of maxterm. Important question for 2 mark in the final exam. For 2 mark, they can ask the definition, what is minterm, maxterm, and write the example for minterm and maxterm. If they have not asked for the exam also, this will be the important topic for the upcoming problems to understand when the value is 0 and when the value is 1. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe so you can get all the important topics for the final second PU examination. Every topic I will be clearly listed in the playlist, so you can get it whatever the topic you want very easily. If you like the video, click on the like button and click on the notification button. Every day I will be posting the videos from in between 4 p.m. to the 8 p.m. If you have any doubts and clarifications, feel free to ask anytime through the comment section. Thank you.